Does the factory wireless charging pad in your Hyundai or Kia not work? Mine neither. Let's fix it. So I've fixed this before, so I know this fix works. And what I also noticed was under convenience menu, the option for wireless charging is no longer there. So when we've done this fix, we'll come back and check this, and it should be there and it should be ticked. All right, so you're gonna need some needle nose pliers. We're gonna take off the fuse cover, and we have the wee diagram, which I'll give you a blow-up shot of in a second. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it the right way up. We're gonna try module 2. So the car is off, the keys are out. We're going to remove module 2 fuse, put it back in again, and see what happens.
And not cycle the key in there, just pull the fuse out?
The key. So it is one row from the top row, one from the right. That red one there, that's not easy to get at all. So 10 amp fuse out, and we're going to go 10 amp fuse back in again, push home. All right, we'll pop the key in. We're going to find the menu. Yeah, we don't need a service. So menu, convenience. Nope, it didn't work. Didn't expect it to work, having tried it before.
So that was module what?
So that was module 2.
2 does not work.
So 2 does not work. Right, so we're going to try module 5 and potentially the memory module, but we're going to do them one at a time. So module 5 is the next one, which is top left. All right. Nope, didn't work. It's okay. Didn't expect it.
So that was module what?
That was top left.
Module 5.
Module 5.
Okay. So
now we're going to try memory.
Memory.
And if that doesn't work, we're going to do module 5 and memory at the same time.
Right.
Because that's what worked last time. The one row from the left, third from the bottom. Your Kia may be different.
Or Hyundai.
Well, this is a Hyundai. So that is out. That back in again. All right. Yay! Wireless charging is back. So all we needed to do was change or take out the memory fuse, put the memory fuse back in again.
So memory by itself.
Well, we have no way of testing if that was going to work, but it was the only one that was out this time.
Right.
So, now we need to check if it's actually working. So the true test is when we put it on there, does it light up and work? Hey, we're charging. It charges slowly. I'd rather use a cable, but things in my car are light up and work. Done. So wireless charging is now working. I'm a happy man. As I say, it doesn't work very well anyway, but I'd rather have it working than not working. Memory fuse, 10 amp. One row from the left, third up in the Hyundai Kona. These Kia might be different, your Kia might be different, your Hyundai might be different, but you're looking for the memory fuse, should be a 10 amp. If that doesn't work, module 5, which is a 7.5 amp top left, and that one at the same time, the memory one at the same time, that's what's fixed it for me in the past. Fingers crossed it stays fixed. Thanks for watching, guys.